Good morning, guys. Here we've got Yoga Smart tab, and let me show you how to change keyboard language. First of all, you have to open the settings, then find and select System and go to Languages and Input. Now click on Virtual Keyboard and select the keyboard. So, all you have to do now is to click on Languages and pick the one that you want to use. Tap on Done. And now you can either stay with both languages or you can remove unnecessary language by tapping on Edit icon and then marking the language that you want to get rid of. Select Bin again, and that's it. So this is how you can customize keyboard language. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.